Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to please click on the subscribe button immediately. For today's recipe, I'm going to take 500 grams of skinless chicken. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curd. Along with the curd, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Also 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. As you can see here, after adding all the spices, I've mixed this well. After mixing it well, here I'm going to add the salt as per taste and mix it once again and leave it for marination for about 45 minutes. After leaving the chicken for marination, I'm then going to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Along with the ghee, I'm going to add 8 cashew nuts and also 2 sliced medium-sized onions. I'm now going to fry the cashew nuts and the onions for a period of about 4 to 5 minutes until the onions become nice and soft. After about 4 minutes, once the onions tend to become golden brown, you can then switch off the flame and keep it aside for it to cool down. Once it cools down, you can then add it to a grinder and make a paste out of it. While I've left the onions and cashew nuts to cool down, in another pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Here you can alternatively use ghee or oil. After adding the butter, you can then add the marinated chicken. After adding the chicken, I'm then going to mix this really well with the butter. Here I'm going to fry it until the moment that the chicken leaves out all the juices and becomes nice and dry. I've fried this for about 12 minutes now. I'm now going to switch off the flame and keep the chicken pieces aside. After keeping the chicken aside, I'm then going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee once again. After adding the ghee, I'm then going to add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Along with the ginger garlic paste, I'm going to add a puree of 2 tomatoes. I'm then going to mix this dish really well. To that, I'm then going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and some salt as per taste. Then going to mix this and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Here I'm going to be cooking this on low flame. After about 4 minutes, here I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and along with that the onion paste which we had ground earlier, and lastly 3 tablespoons of cream. After adding the cream, I'm then going to mix this really well with the rest of the dish. After mixing it really well with the rest of the dish, here you can see it's become a nice fine paste here. I'm now going to be adding the piece of chicken which we had cooked earlier. After adding the chicken, I'm then going to coat it really well with the gravy. After coating the chicken really well with the gravy, I'm then going to add 3/4 glass of water. And once again, I'm then going to mix this really well, cover it with a lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you would have noticed here that the consistency of the gravy is absolutely perfect. Here, you can then add a few coriander leaves to garnish it. So if you did like my recipe, I request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.